uh, today I'm talking about Whaff app, and let me show you. This is Whaff app, and you can earn money through this app, and you can see here how much I have earned here. It's $8.17, which I have got till now. I'm using this app from like last 10 to 12 days, and I have got this much of amount, $8.17. It's a fast paying app in the market, and I have earned this much, and you can earn a lot more from more than this. So let me show you how the app works. So here you can see it's my name over here, Mehboob Anwar, and I have $8.17 in my account, and these are the pages over here where you get the offers which you have to complete, and they get you. So you can see here it's this application is paying 9 cents for keeping this app in my phone for 2 days. So this kind of applications which you get which you have to download few games and few applications, and here are also a lot more of things like you just have to complete this task, and you get paid for that. You have to download this kind of applications, and for that there are a lot many things which you can do over here. Let me show you completing one task, and then you can understand how you have to do it. And before that, let me tell you how much you can to get paid. I have earned $8.17 in this, and I have to earn $10.15. This is the minimum payout which you can withdraw through PayPal. And there are a lot many things which you can do, like you can purchase a gift vouchers, uh, Google Play gift voucher, or Amazon gift card. Lot many things. Let me show you. This many things are here. PlayStation, Google, and Karma, Target, Amazon, Facebook. Lot many things are here. You can if you want, you can purchase a gift voucher from this stores, Amazon store or Target store, or from Facebook, or others like Skrill and all. And simply if you don't want to purchase this kind of vouchers, you can withdraw the funds through PayPal. They give you option of PayPal to withdraw the funds, and the minimum amount for PayPal it's $10.15. You can withdraw the funds from PayPal once you have $10.50 in your account. So I'm close to that. In like 1 or 2 days I'll be completing this much of amount, and I'll be withdrawing this amount. So I'll show you the payment proof as well once I have that much of amount in my account. Alright, so what you have to do, you just have to complete a few tasks so you get paid for that. Let me show you completing this one. You just have to click on install, and a new page will be opening. Here it is. Once the application is been downloaded, you just have to open that application and use it for like 20-30 seconds, and you get paid for that. It's installing now. Here it is. Have to click on open. Just view the app for a few seconds. I don't want to log into this app, I'm just using it. I'll play till that time. Okay, I have got the credit. Here you can see 3 cents has been added to Whaff account. It was $8.17, and now you can see $8.20 I have here. And what we have to do then, just have to play for few seconds, open the app for few seconds every day, like for more 2 days you'll be getting 2 cents and plus 1 day for daily rewards. So I'll be getting more, what do you say, 6 cents over here. Total this app is paying 9 cents, which I have got 3 cents out of that. So let me start it, if it pays quickly or not. I'm just doing like this. No, okay, I'll do it later on. So this is the things which you can do here, and download few more apps, and this is paying 1 cents, 45 cents, 40, 42, 40, 30 cents. This kind of payments you'll be getting from this. And one more thing which you have to do daily, you just have to check your attendance and get rewards. You just have to click over here, and 1 cent you get every day just for clicking over here. Yeah, I got 1 cent. So this are the few things which you can do in money. And one more great thing which you can do here, you can share this app to your friends and you get money for each friend who sign up with your invite code. Click on invite friends and get bonus of 30 cents. Once you click over here, you get this kind of links here. You can share it, and you can invite via Twitter or email, or you can send a text message or invite via Facebook as well. So please friend, once you log into Whaff app, just enter my invitation code, and once you enter my invitation code, you'll be also getting 50 cents for that. So any which ways, you just have to enter anyone's invitation code. So please enter my invitation code, so you will also get something and also get something. So these are the few things which you can do in this app to earn money. And as I have told you, I'm using this app from last 10 to 15 days. Like, I'm using this app, and I've got this much of amount over here. So I'll be using this app for more 2 or 3 days, and I'll be withdrawing the funds, and I'll be making one more video for that, so you can I can see how to withdraw the funds and the payment proof as well. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching this, and let me show you the toppers and how much the people are earning in this app. Here are the ranks. You can see this guy, what's his name? It's Bagas Pramodita. This guy has earned $22,142.42 from this app. He is the first ranker, and the second one is Rifki, and he have got 14,272. These are the many people who have earned lots of money from this app. So this is truly a great app, guys. So you can go for it, and please make sure you enter my referral code. And you can see here today's earner. The first one is he has earned like $18.60 from this, and these are the people who have earned the highest amount for today. So it is a good app, and it does pay. I have seen the payment proof, and that's why I'm making this video. So you can also use this app. You can sign into this app, and you can register to this app. You just have to log in through Facebook. Once you download this app, you have to log in through your Facebook account, and once you have done that, it will be asking you for the invitation code. and once it's asking it asks for your invitation code, just make sure you enter this invitation code over here, which is here. It's AY66350. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video, and you have a pleasant day. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.